Kenneth. Hi Irvin, hi Mia. First of all, I'd like to congratulate both of you for this event. This is really special, not just to you, but also to me and to the church. You guys are an example to the young youth that are coming up, like to my son Kevin. He looks up to you. And Mia, the moment I saw you with Irvin, I know that you're the one, because you know you're the best. So I'd like to sing this song for you, and this is a Tagalog song. So Mia, you might have to translate some of those words to Irvin. But I know as time goes on, you pick up. I know you picked up some of the words, but mostly Ilonggo, right? Because it's from your dad's side. By the way, my name is Kenneth. They call me Brother Ken, and I'm with the Urban's Church, with the International Christian Faith Church, and our pastor is Pastor Ed. He did a good job this morning. So thank you, Pastor. That was a good message. Let's give him a hand. And this is for both of you and for all of you. This is a Tagalog song popularized by Pastor Valdez. Maestro. Ngayon at kailanman, sumpa ko'y ibigin ka. Ngayon at kailanman, hindi ka na mag-isa. Ngayon at kailanman, sa hirap at ginhawa pa, asahang may kasama ka. Sinta, naroon ako tuwi na maasahan mo tuwi na ngayon at kailanman. Dahil kaya sa'yo may tadhanang ako'y isilang sa mundo, upang sa araw-araw ay siyang makapiling mo, upang ngayon at kailanman ikaw ay mapaglingkuran. Bakit labis kitang mahal? Pangalawa sa may kapal, higit sa aking buhay. Sa bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y lalong tumatamis, tumitingkad. Bawat kahapon ay daig nitong bawat ngayon, nadaig ng bawat bukas. Nilimot ka lang kapag ang araw at bituin ay di na matanaw, kapag tumigil ang daigdig at di na gumalaw. Subalit isang araw pa matapos ang mundo'y magunaw na, hanggang doon magwawakas pag-ibig ko'y sadyang wagas. Ngayon at kailanman, sa bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo niyag, lalong tumatamis, tumitingkad. Bawat kahapon ay daig itong bawat ngayon, nadaig ng bawat kahapon ay daig itong bawat ngayon, nadaig ng bawat bukas. Tamis sa may kapal, labis kitang mahal. Ngayon at kailanman. Thank you.